It's been really useful to us because we've had opportunities that we may not have had if we were a very English company or non-Welsh company. So we've been able to attend the Eisteddfod and places like that, and we've had an advantage where, because we can use a little Welsh and because we can at least make an effort to converse in it, and certainly me, then people automatically are more willing to spend with you because you've made that effort and you're a Welsh company and want to support their companies from their locality. Yeah.